Through this journey, we all learned to be adaptable and resilient in overcoming the challenges before us. We rallied together, our people, the public service, private companies, and civil society, to put the interests of our nation and others before our own, and came through as one united people. Throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, there were many groups who also kept Singapore going in different ways. The Minister for Manpower spoke yesterday on how the government stood up the interagency task force and brought in the SAF and Home team to manage the COVID-19 situation in the dormitories. Despite the risks involved, we saw the unwavering dedication of these officers, including those deployed as part of the forward assurance and support teams, what we know as FAST. While our nation grappled and were fully focused on overcoming COVID-19, Singaporeans can be assured that the SAF kept our security operations and maintained a high level of operational readiness to keep us safe from external threats. Critical SAF operations such as maritime security, air defense, protection of key installations and counterterrorism continued around the clock, even during the pandemic. So I echo Ms. Janet Ang and Mr. Melvin Yong's tribute and thank our public transport workers and operators, platform workers and operators, workers in the air and sea transport sector, and many others in our fight against COVID-19. Our Muslim community too played an important role. The community had to adjust to the closure of mosques and suspension of congregational prayers, which Mr. Sharil Taha and Mr. Wan Rizal spoke about. While in circuit breaker, the community also had to observe Ramadan and Hari Raya away from their loved ones. This was a whole of society effort, one filled with sacrifice, dedication, and duty. We can be heartened by how our people have shown resilience, adaptability, and unity throughout the pandemic. I'm confident that the lessons we have learned will put us in good stead for the future and prepare us for the next crisis.